How to log out Snapchat account from all other devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log out Snapchat account from all other devices. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as two-factor authentication. And now here, in this section, just tap on the option labeled as forget devices. And now here in this section, you'll see the option labeled as forget all devices. So simply tap on it and confirm your choice by tapping on confirm again. And once you do that, your Snapchat account will be logged out from all other devices. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.